let's jump into exercise 9. So chapter 2, exercise 9. And in this one, what we're going to be doing is someone is going to be inputting on the keyboard a number 0, 1, 2, 3, but they're going to write it out, and we're going to work on converting it to an actual digit from the string that was written on the keyboard to a digit. So convert string number to int number. Okay, so this one is actually fairly straightforward. Because effectively all that we're doing, we're going to be looking for a particular pattern of our input. So we're going to need a standard string input, and we'll go ahead and grab things out. So standard cout, please enter a number as written out, like 0 or 2. Right, and so we're going to go ahead and grab that in, so standard cin. And per the assignment, we really want to just handle cases of 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's add another one, which is going to be something important for us. So this is int entered value. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually set it to -1. And I'm going to explain why we're going to do that, because we need to be able to handle the final edge case. The final edge case is when somebody entered a value that really didn't match any of our parameters that we were expecting. So we have to be able to detect that. So we're starting with -1. If we were doing a program with more sophistication, we would have other conditions we can work with. But in this instance, because we don't really yet have a full toolbox available to us, we're still learning, so we're going to rely on -1 as just being a signal for us that the value that was entered was not detected. So if input is equal to 0, then we'll say that entered value is 0. If input is equal to 1, then entered value is equal to 1. If input is equal to 2, then an entered value is equal to 2. If input is equal to 3, I think that's what we're doing, we're up to 4, then entered value is equal to 3, and then if input is equal to 4, entered value is equal to 4. And then what we're going to do is like this: if entered value does not equal to -1, then we know that we parsed a valid value. So we'll write it out, standard cout. We'll do it like this. Input is equal to entered value. And we'll terminate. And then we have another choice: if entered value is equal to -1. Again, we're having to do this because we haven't introduced the else statement yet. So we're going to have to give the error result. And per the assignment, the error output should be not a number I know. And that is essentially the whole assignment. Return 0. Let's save the file. Let's go ahead and run it. And let's go ahead and enter 3. And we got 3. Let's do it one more time. Let's enter 0, and we got 0, so it seems to be working. And let's go ahead and enter 5, and it says not a number I know. So looks good. Looks like it's working. Ship it.